What if I told you, some of the most incredible discoveries in human history weren't found in jungles or deep oceans, but locked beneath thousands of years of ice? We're talking perfectly preserved beasts from the Ice Age, ancient treasure chests bursting with gems, even mysterious objects scientists still can't explain. These aren't science fiction stories, they're 100% real. And once you see what's been pulled from the frozen corners of Earth, you'll never look at ice the same way again. Number 1. The frozen dragon. In a remote, icy stretch of Canada, scientists uncovered something straight out of a fantasy novel, a massive skeleton locked beneath the frost for millions of years. They called it Cryodraken boreas, which literally means, frozen dragon of the north winds. This wasn't just any fossil. It belonged to a newly identified species of pterosaur, a flying reptile with a wingspan over 16 feet, and a skull more than 3 times the size of its body. These beasts soared above the dinosaurs 76 million years ago and were some of the most terrifying creatures to ever rule the skies. Number 2. The Mystery Box of Mont Blanc. In 2013, a young climber scaling Mont Blanc in Western Europe stumbled upon a metal box poking out of the snow. Inside, hundreds of glittering emeralds, rubies, and sapphires. Experts believe it belonged to a passenger from one of 2 Indian flights that tragically crashed into the mountain over 50 years ago. The box is worth over $200,000, and to this day, authorities are still searching for its rightful heir. Number 3. Luba, the baby mammoth. A Siberian reindeer herder and his sons found more than just ice in 2007. They found Luba, a 41,800-year-old baby woolly mammoth. She was so perfectly preserved that even her eyelashes were intact. Luba was only a month old when she died, and her body has helped scientists understand how mammoths lived, and maybe even how to bring them back. Number 4. Antarctica's frozen volcano. Mount Erebus towers over Antarctica like something out of a sci-fi movie. Discovered in 1841 during an eruption, this 12,000-foot tall volcano has been bubbling with lava for over 1.3 million years. It's one of the few volcanoes on Earth with a constantly active lava lake. Despite its violent heart, Erebus's eruptions are usually mild, but it remains one of the most mysterious and dangerous places on the planet. Number 5. Ötzi the Iceman. In 1991, 2 hikers in the Italian Alps discovered a body frozen in the ice. But this wasn't a modern tragedy. It was a time capsule. The man, later named Ötzi, had been dead for over 5,000 years. His tattoos, tools, and even his last meal, dry-cured meat similar to bacon, gave scientists a detailed look into life during the Copper Age. And get this, DNA tests show that he has at least 19 living relatives in Europe today.